Thank you, Trip the Reality Sports. Nice name. I can't wait either. Can't wait. I can't wait to finish making it. Not sure. Alright. Today's stream is gonna be, fortunately, a bit boring because I'm gonna write a lot of code. But yeah, we need to do it. So let's crack on with the code. Maybe have a sneak peek on the some of the mockup data. Mostly coding. So with this very long hours and hours of mockup data that we need to convert into usable gameplay stuff, and we're gonna write some code for that. Otherwise, doing manually is gonna take a million years. So that's what we're doing tonight. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be as exciting as David's stream, but get there. Alright, so first thing, just wanted to fix the file name. Okay. Alright, so. Just gonna move. What? Okay, so Eleanor, morning. I think this should. Yes. How did they? Okay. Everything worked properly. Right. So get the animation. I did a few stages here. Get the animation, trim it, do all the processing, and retarget to a meta-human. I just want to optimize this thing as much as I can. So this. No, so let's do it one thing at a time. Even if it's transitional, can I get the name of it? Like, has it got something like name? Get name. Alright, let's try this. I'm gonna break it a few times. Yeah, thank you. Outlet Podcast. Thank you very much. Curious to see if this asset name is the full name, or should be only the name. So this. Okay, let's start like this. Slowly. Okay, so we got this animation, and we're gonna convert dashboard. So we're gonna do there we go. Oh, that's a bit. Let's go. Oh yeah. 1855. So this will, one thing I wanted to be optimal. Oops. I think. Okay, it's a bit excessive, but that's okay. So fun name, it's not with dashboard. It's this dashboard. Alright, let's see the damage here. 1855194. Actually, let me debug it. A message here. Alright, so I do reply to a message. So well, okay, let's do this. Well, not quite well. This is like this annoying one. Yeah. 20. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. That's the good one. Okay, alright, let's see the damage here. Oh, I don't like it. Yeah, I didn't really like it. It's like football name stuff. It's yeah. See what the heck? Really? Yeah, stupid. That's just, okay. Let's just redo it. It's just so stupid. That's stupid as well. Oh, I think this one is not. Okay. Hey, Paradox, see? It's been well. Coding for a little bit. It's gonna be rather boring, but later on we're gonna speed up a little bit. We're gonna do some pretty cool animation stuff. Right, let's try this. Yeah, I lost the... It's annoying. It's annoying to losing that bit, but... No, oh, that went better than expected. In fact, I should really grab the latest version before I do too much. I'm actually doing now. Yeah, actually, let's do it now. I don't want to fall behind too much. Let's see if we got some conflicts though. No, okay, good, no conflicts. Okay, right, let's restart. At least I'll sync up with the latest version. Alright. Oh, like there's text here which is like super low res. Just really annoys me. Like, give me a sec. Just like. Alright, let's just get it. Okay, let's just have it something like that. Okay, a bit too big though. Yeah, this one's not really important. But the screen, okay. Come on, you can do it. Alright, let's go back to our animation. Josh, Kingston session 1. Alright, so we do what were we, like 1.8 something, I think. Yeah, it was this one, right? 1.8. Let's do this. 1.8.7.7.3. Dashboard, dashboard, doing 1.8.7.3. Then we go up to. Yeah, it's going up is always gonna be a little bit weird. Alright. Can we save this or is it gonna crash, right? It's nothing. Start and frame range invalid. That's interesting. Is it what? What is this? What's that? That's interesting. How is this happening? It's very weird. Oh, right. No, this doesn't make sense though. Yeah, it's a bit bonkers. Right, is it? I don't know, man. Like, very disappointing. What is he actually doing? A lot of lots of weird stuff going on here. If I do that again, what did I just screw up the? No, okay, I didn't screw up this, right? Okay, this is correct. Then I do a struct. And then this happens. I think it's rotating the pyramids rather than the... Oh, is it? Right, so yeah, that's not. It's gonna be a little bit wonky for a bit. What is this one? What? Right. So this maybe mediates not really good. Anyway, if I try again. That's bad. That's bad. Really? Yes. It's gonna be useless. Oh? Yeah. So this is 1873. Oh, this one. Let's see if this produces a wonky one. It's considerably slower. Something that really bothers me. Oh. Really? What? I think it's wrong. I just don't get this, man. Why all of a sudden my thing is? Why is it 160 meg? It's madness. Absolute madness. Alright, so what is going on here? Is it even doing alright. Alright. Let's try again. Extract. Need to debug when it's slowing down. It's alright. Well, this is not even. Where did it go? This didn't even go anywhere. That's the old one. What is it going on here? Is this it? Alright, let's do this. It's just temporary object. I shouldn't, right? Oh, that's right. It's trapped. This should give me a pointer to something. Right. I'm a bit confused by all of this. I love your comment, Corday, about the 80s wanting back the t-shirt. That made me laugh a lot. Although I was wearing this same t-shirt yesterday, I think. In fact, I have the same t-shirt. Here. There you go. T-shirt from the 80s. I love it. It's really nice. So, this thing is proceeding quite slowly. Okay, so, but at least this is good. Now, if I do same thing, here, so this is the seriousness. No. Yeah, the phone call was just yeah, quite good timing for the 80s to call, or the 90s, I don't know. So this, I don't get why this would be. Why does it do that? Why does it do this? No, I'll record anything. I just, why would it do that? Yeah, another one. So, and why is it? Now, if you do struct, starting frame range invalid. I don't know. Where is it? As like A night call day. A good one. Okay, let's try again then. Struct. Set a frame range and border. Yeah, okay, give it to me. What? Why? What? End frame. Why is not stopping anyway? One eight. End frame. Wow, for some reason. Alright. Let's go. Oh. 78, 78. What? That's interesting. 78 and 78. So this is why it's crashing. So alright. So let's check this out then. Not from that one, clearly. But from this one. Oh yeah, I mean all the curves are oh right. Okay. Yeah, it's don't know what to do. So I've recorded like a schoolboy error, the born names of the meta-humans and the character creator, and when we're doing the accents mannequin, they're not mapped correctly. That's very poor. I may want to fix it while I'm at it. Yeah, okay, let's fix it. Okay. How do I fix it? Alright, what the skeleton looks like. What? Left hand. I guess like right hand. Right hand. Alright. Yeah, okay, let's fix it. It's a good exercise. So basically we need to remap the bone names for feet and hands. Yeah, let's do it. Right, first of all, yeah, these guys, yeah. Okay. Yeah, luckily we did this. Or at least we go up to here. And then we failed. Okay. I see. 4. Jesus. Do we still use this monster? Oh gee. Ah, it's annoying. What the hell? What is this? Ah, come on. Come on. So cool. I was indeed like one of the. This is like so annoyingly bad. Like, how do we do this properly? Yeah, it's gonna take ages. I may save a lot of time later on. Let's fix. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, let's fix it. Okay. Okay. I think I have a decent idea. Yeah, it's okay. So my decent idea is it's not really a decent idea, it's a terrible idea. Alright, so we got this. I need the map, I need the bone skeleton mapping, which is basically this is it. How can I do this efficiently? So we have this skeleton here. Why is it? Oops. So I need another profile. Where are the table? Well, let's create another data table. Let's try. I'm gonna create data table here. What's data tables here? Data table. Where are they? Send animation. Doesn't have to. How do you add the data table? Blueprint, for sure, right? Artificial intelligence. Oh, well. Gameplay? No. What the hell? Data table. Nothing. No structure. Do I need to have one? Apparently. Several structure now. What is the raw structure? Structure? this one. No, let's try this. So different table. Skeleton remapping. Oh. Yeah, it's empty, man. Right. So how do we do this? We do yeah, that's quite interesting actually. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, so it's a canonical one which these are all string. Why? So we got meta-human, and then we go accents. Let's go to MBN. Okay. So so for example, we have add new row. Okay, so root. I see. Meta-human is root. MVN is and how do I rename this? Root. Ah. Okay, let's do it. Okay, since oh. What is he complaining about? Root is already used as a raw name. So who cares? Why would you care? It's just gonna do this. Alright, alright. Why I can't choose the name? Alright. I mean, one can argue that. Okay, let's try to see if this approach will work. I'll just save all. I think this. I need to hide this. I just don't want to get. But yeah, okay, let's have a look if this works. So there's one. Iron sequence. Force leveling. It's interesting. It's no use. Here we go. Alright, so translate to origin. That's quite annoying, effectively. Yeah, but it's required, unfortunately. Yeah, we'll see how. Hey, Japan. Or Ninja Samurai. How's it going? Alright. I'm just gonna do it. Let's do this. Okay, I need to change. Okay, I will change slightly this thing. Load, jump at the table. Save. Jump at the table. Right, why does it do this? Makes no sense. It's even static. Exactly. Doesn't make any sense. Yeah, dumb. In fact, I'm not gonna change this. Is it? Yeah, I think. Alright, okay. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, that's a bit better. Alright, let's have, so. Let's add all of this and then we rebuild. So let's have this one. Skeleton tree. Another window. Well, another monitor, I should say. And another one. The meta-human one. Meta-human. Anti. Another screen. Why is this? That is most annoying, yeah. So it goes to another screen. Alright. So just gonna remap. Okay, so yeah, that's quite interesting actually. add. Okay, let me tell you, I'm just doing it this. Add spine 01, and this is spine. Okay, add. I'm just gonna do it later. No? Spine 02 and spine 1. Oh, Right, no, I'm not gonna do this. Spine is fine, but yeah, it's, I don't wanna do too much. So what do we have? Like hand, oh, let's see here. Football, of course, and this is left foot. And then this is the ball. And this is okay, ball. Right, okay. But I'm gonna save. It's gonna. Because I wanna get the important ones first. First one is ball, foot, hand, yeah. That's just a crucial one. Yeah, that one's really not important for the assignment. But eventually we'll do all of them. Alright, so I just don't know why they do it this way. I don't know. Left ball. To me, this ball doesn't make any sense, but I mean, as a word, it is what it is. Alright, so that's enough. Okay, and now we can rebuild it. Okay. Really. So, I'm gonna try to build now what mess did we leave behind. Nah, not too bad. I should do it, and then yeah, good. Now let's move this data table madness into oh, figure this out. Alright. That doesn't really make any sense. Alright. So, see what's the damage. Good. Okay, translate to origin. Translate to origin. So now load data table. Don't remember what's the name of this one. Data skeleton remapping paired bone mapping bone paired heavy data. Alright. Now, how do I actually do this? Get row. What is this? Get. I don't want to just give me the row. Let's be able to. How does it work? Get. fire. Oh, just this thing. Doesn't even have a parameter. So it's got add row, right? No. How do we actually use this thing? Add row. There. Why are they over here? Because of this? Or stupid. Anyway, get. Wait. It's not so stupid. Get row map. What is this thing? Have name you eat? What? Why can't I just get a row? Not bad. That's not. What's this unit 8 thing? I don't want to get all rows. I'm just gonna get one. Find the row. Alright. Find the row. Find the row. Okay. How do I get blueprint class? How do I do that? What the hell is this? That's no. That's not good. How do we do it? Is it class of something? I don't know, it just looks sketchy. Yeah. Do I need to redo it? I think this dodgy as off. What is this thing? Yeah, I don't see how this works. Context tree. What the hell? First, yeah, so nice. guys, yeah. Blueprint type, that's it, right? Oh, triple base. Well, okay. um okay. This thing hasn't got anything. Yeah, but I need to get some BS blueprint thing. Yeah. That's so annoying. Alright, so you didn't include this and that. It's freaking annoying. So alright. What's this or this? Alright. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, so we get this. We need to include this bullshit thing. Include happy birthday for a week time. No, okay. So this one. Root motion. What does this thing return? Nothing. So, name. Just do name then. Freaking annoying. Yeah, I need to change that. So just quickly build it and see what the damage for this one is. Hello, Smash Ski. Work for today is somewhere like above my head. It's we have a lot of motion capture data to import, and I was a bit too slow to split bit by bit to every single jump. So I'm working on something that will let us export animations, well, import animation in the game, and effectively gameplay ready very quickly. Otherwise, I'm gonna spend the next 3 days just laboring importing animations. So, okay, so this worked. Alright. So let's do this then. Name then. So just gonna do this. What is this returning? Yeah, return. Okay, it's a bit annoying to get Well, that was a bit annoying indeed, but that's not very nice. But what does thing want? F name. Okay, let's pass F name. Stupid F names. Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It's a bit. That is so pedestrian. Like, this code is audible. That's super audible. Yeah, that is so poor. Must be a better way to do it. Must be. Well. I can't do it really like this. Like, this screams like sus a lot. I think this is saying too much, really. What is it I think I'm playing about? Oh. Well, that's handy. Not equal. Right. Alright. 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 Now. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Okay. It's not too bad. Right. Gonna probably need to do. Okay, a bit more step by step, but yeah. It's a bit low, but get there. Get there. Yeah, I'm sorry that the program is stream. It's a little bit underwhelming, and trying to get to the interesting stuff as quick as I can. Alright, so there's one here. I need to redo it, right? Down. In fact, it's stupid, right? Mm-hmm. Maybe. No, better no. What is it? What is the name of that thing? Do we really need the data table? I don't think I really need data table. It's just clunky. Yeah, it's just... Thinking, what the hell? I'm thinking... Right, let's see if we got skeleton remapping. Alright. Right, no one but facts. I'm not sure what you mean on PlayStation 3. Definitely not gonna be on PlayStation 3. Unfortunately, but. Okay, let's graphic quality is appalling. Yeah, it's very bad. So, okay, let's do this. Yeah, it's doing the remapping. Left down, right down. Right, okay. Okay, let's do this. Right, yeah. Oh, thanks for the truth. Right foot. No, left foot. Left foot. Okay. Foot. Right. Right. Still not sure about this. That looks sus. Left, right, board. Right, yeah, look at the other system. Alright, so do I even care about this? Well, yes, I do, because yeah, this is stuff that I really don't like. Just looks weird. Right, good. Okay. I still think we shouldn't really use it. So. Let's just kill it. Let's just skin it. Alright. Alright, so let's load the table first. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Start to crash it. Okay, let's save this thing before it crashes, by the way. That is it. That's a good compilation of that things. This is. I don't know if I will never be able to. You know what? It's because I think. If I do this, and I don't know. Oh, come on! I don't want all of these things. How do I get rid of things? I'll just have it forever. Alright. Okay, so look. There he goes. How's it going? Do you feel any better? Oh, I think let's go. Now let's talk about the time trials. Let's do it. If you wanna jump in on the, I'm still streaming on Discord. Is that your message? Let's jump in on the Discord chat. And yeah, let's have a look. There we go. There we go. You're super quiet. Your mic is super
quiet. Give me a second, let me move my mic around. Is that by any chance better?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's better. There we go.
I think the mic was behind my monitor. Just acting as a screen.
Behind your monitor.
Yeah, I have a very messy desk, so it's the only place I could fit.
Long story. Not gonna ask. Okay, let's see.
Messy desk.
Yeah, I guess
really
if you wanna share your screen, I'll.
Yes. Right. Ba-da-da-da. Oh.
Oh, jeez, this is still wonky, man.
Is that Unreal or should I share my screen? I'm on the wide screen. Are you going to care about seeing the blueprints at any point?
I don't want to see your blueprint.
Yeah.
uh,
I can move this player start. I don't need that anymore.
Okay, what's the stream?
Sorry, I'm probably going to be coughing the whole stream as well.
Yeah, how are you feeling?
In the daytime, I feel fine, but because I was ill over the weekend, but I've got a cough that just refuses to go, so I don't get to sleep at night because I'm just coughing all night. Last night I was coughing so hard I threw up, so that was fun.
I still got a little bit of cough from COVID the last month. It's been annoying.
Driving me nuts. Right, so, quick recap of what I've done. So, when you mentioned the time trials and you was like, try and cut all the dependencies, just bring the code over. Because I had spare time, I wanted to take a shot at doing it just to see if I could learn.
Nice.
So, I made my own system, which is in 2 parts. So, we've got the markers that we drop down, and then you designate if they are the starting, the end, or if they're just any of the middle points, the checkpoint. And you can give it a route number as well. So, at the moment, where's my... Let's just do a test here. So, I put the time trial marker there. Place it this way. A middle and an end. So, designate that as the end. They're color-coded as well, which is nice. And I've currently got 1... No, 2. So it goes up to route 2 already. So let's make this route 3. So we can have multiple routes down at the same time and they won't conflict with each other. And then the player start. I'm probably facing the wrong way. Yep. All screen messages. Without. So, by default, only the starting ones are visible. So you can see all the start points for the time trials. And when you hit it, if I move a bit faster, there you go, it shows you the route.
Right.
Why is that arrow? That arrow shouldn't be pointing down. I've set that up wrong. So if you just go straight to the end, it won't finish. But if you hit a checkpoint, fuck. Alright, of course it's broken. What have I done? Mid. And route 3. Should be working. The other routes are working, I just played them. There you go. So the arrows point to the next checkpoint you've got to go to. If you hit the checkpoint, it disappears. Once you've got all the checkpoints, you can hit the end, the red one, and it'll end. At the moment, the time is being tracked, which will come out as a print string, but it's not currently tied into any UI elements.
Yeah.
So that was 4.72 seconds. Yeah, so the way it works at the moment is, so we put these markers down, and then when you hit the starting one, it will spawn a timer actor, just at world origin 000, which holds all of the logic for tracking the checkpoints you've hit, tracking the route and everything. So it does like a get all actors of class with tags to find the route, makes it visible, tells it to like pay attention to that one. All of the logic's in here. And the only thing triggering them at the moment is beginning is a begin overlap event with a collision box. So if you wanted to replicate it for like multiplayer, it's not tied specifically to like the first, like to player 0 or anything like that. It can just be tied to whatever you want it to. Just triggers an overlap event. And yeah, and this is the visual at the moment. So these route numbers at the top you can't see in game. They're just an editor thing, so we can keep track of which route is which.
Should we make visible in the game?
We can do if you want.
I mean, to name the routes. One thing that I always found it very hard to follow on the time trial is, well, unless you have like a racetrack, you know where you're going, right? But if it's free flowing, then
so to try and combat that, that's why I've added these arrows in. So when we hit this, you see the arrows point down. I should probably lift that one above the wall. They point to where the next checkpoint is. So as you get there, like the arrow's telling you where to go. I'm just clipped into the wall. Yeah, so the arrows always point to your next checkpoint.
But where is the checkpoint? Is the arrow?
Yeah, so it's this collision box around the checkpoint, which could be whatever we want it to be. It can have a mesh, it can have a material, whatever.
Yeah.
But it's that. I might make the collision box a bit bigger as well because it's a little bit unforgiving. It's a little bit small.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's let's raise this one up so you can see it over the wall. Yeah, so when you hit that arrow, they are constantly giving you. Oh, I have 2 player starts in. Oops. They're giving you that feedback so that you know where you're going. Obviously, once you've done it a couple of times, you'll have memorized the routes. So you don't necessarily need them. But the first time, it lets you go through slowly and know where you're going.
Yeah. So, okay. So a couple of things. I need to see how we'll get this like linked to the actual to the actual time trial logic. But can we have like the logic should be when you start the time trial, all the other time trial will disappear, and can we?
Currently, you can still see the starts for the other ones, but I could make them disappear. What is this error? Access none. Trying to read. Get active plus. For the set text. What? Wait, for the end time.
I always had big problems exporting text in build games. For some reason, they never appear in the build. I really have no idea why, but we need to double check that thing. Yeah, so I think for me, like when you start a time trial, right? All the other time trials should disappear, and I think the checkpoints should be very similar to the time trial start. Because I think the reason is if a checkpoint is behind the corner or something like that, you just wanted to have that it's visible from far and from like low, you know, high, low, and wherever. Like with only the arrow, I think the arrows are very good at giving you the indication of where it would be, but I think we need the combo of the big.
So basically, this beam that I've got for the long distance stuff, bring it lower down so you can actually see it around the arrow.
No, I mean the same size, but
yeah, but have it extend down so that it sits around the arrow as well. I mean,
yeah.
Rather than floating like that, if it was down.
Something like that, yeah. I mean, without clipping the floor, but yeah, you get.
Oh yeah, this is gonna look terrible at first. There you go, 'cause it clips to the floor, but. So if it was more like that.
If it's more like that, yeah, because I think the
Oh, I messed up.
I think the checkpoints are yeah, you need to I think like the rule of thumb is like we should always think that is the first time anyone is playing the game.
Fair?
So yeah. Yeah, and then I think the real thing is how do we inject all the logic in the time trial logic.
What is it that it needs to connect to? What's the existing logic already?
So it sounds a bit weird, but the at the moment the like even in single player you are a multiplayer entity with like
Okay.
like you're not logged in anywhere at the moment, but you are like a multiplayer entity, and that has got all sorts of quirks that counts with that. So basically, everything is like every gameplay function that is exposed throughout the game. It needs to always call this online subsystem library, which is the multiplayer library, just to keep everything in sync. Even though we're not even logging in yet. Well, in fact, we are, but like silently, right? But yeah, even like this is a single player experience, it doesn't matter. It needs to have that backhand always available, and I think it may be just a case that it may be a lot easier than we may think. If you call the C++ function from your blueprint, then I think that should work nicely.
Yeah. So at the moment, it's because I'm using the Unreal Engine timers that are built in.
Yeah, no, I mean all that, the timers and the stuff. That's all fine. I'm only talking when they when you finish a race, for example, like that needs to deal with the online subsystem. So like it's just a matter of call that function on certain or certain events, but like most of the logic, it could be like most of the visuals that doesn't need to be replicated. It could be run into any random blueprints, but those events. So basically, your blueprint needs to be aware of the online subsystem in order to. And this is why I've created some. There are some basically container class for the player state, the player character controller, the what is the other one? The player it's another one, player instance, whatever. Like all those are wrapped around the online subsystem. So you basically don't even know that you're using an online subsystem. You just call this SPP character, which has these functions exposed. And yeah, it's hopefully it's not gonna be that bad. I mean, I can't really imagine. Like the logic at the moment is so simple that it's not gonna be that bad. But yeah, like.
So, am I leaving that to you, or do you want me to take a shot at it?
Well, no, I think for now you just keep going to whatever you're doing, which is good. So we just act at the very end. I would just say, like, how do we interface with that? We have functions to do to interface with the UI, which I mean, maybe that in Blueprint is a little bit more easy for you. So I'll leave you to that. Probably you and David could do a much better job about between UI and yeah, I know it looks good.
Okay, happy days.
So how many time trials routes do we have?
Currently, I've got 3. So we've got one that starts here, comes over this wall. So the idea is you'd cut past this gap and land here. Also, all of these routes I have tested and done. Some of them are a lot harder than others, but I have successfully done them all at least once.
Okay.
Which is my criteria for does it work. Like, if I can finish it once,
yeah,
it's fine. Hang on, I gotta wait for the autosave to finish.
So why there are so many beacons going around?
So all of the checkpoints exist. Like in editor, you can see them. It's just that they're made invisible when you go in game, and then when you hit the start, it looks at that route and it makes it visible.
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, but so those are the checkpoints.
They're just... Sorry?
Those are the checkpoints.
Yeah. So green is the starting point, blue's checkpoints, red's the finishes.
Right. Okay.
Sorry?
Yeah. No. Okay. I got it. Yeah.
Again or something.
No, I was a bit confused about seeing all those. Yeah, okay, so basically in editor you basically see everything, right? Okay, yeah. So can you play the games quickly?
Yeah.
So you play and then you go, okay, one over there. Like, what is the actual green bit there? It's just above you and you don't see.
Yeah, I need to play with the material and bring this down.
Okay, yeah.
It's putting it in the center of the cylinder. Because if I select it, that's the cylinder for the beacon, and it's just putting it in the center. But I just need to like stretch the material or whatever, something like that. That's just a material thing.
So, but that is not the start, right?
That green arrow was the start.
Oh, the green arrow is the start. Okay.
I struggle so much with cat passes now. It's going back to like 004A. It's impossible to land in
nice
and I love it.
Yeah.
So there's this route that starts here, comes over this cat pass, down these stairs over here, up these walls, and finishes here.
Alright, yeah.
There is a second route that starts here, across this gap, which you can cat past this wall in the middle. That's really fun.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Loops back here, comes down across this gap, which you can cat pass up, which is fun. And then the big finish is off this wall onto the bridge, which is ridiculous for real life, but it's fun. And then the final route, this one I'm not so sure about, but I'm not sure about the starting position. So it starts on this corner, over this wall and down, up the bridge, over this wall, down this platform, up this little step, up here, around, over the wall, finishes there.
Oh, wow,
so
that's a long one, yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to do one that like covers almost the whole map.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Let's see if I can successfully do it. I bet I can't. These cat passes are really hard to land now.
Okay, don't do a cat pass.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I've done the roll shit.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's slowing down now. Yeah, did it actually? Yeah.
I did it. Oh, I missed the checkpoint. See, I ran next to it, so I need to make these. Oh, I've missed one up there. So if you miss a checkpoint, you can't get the next one.
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, it may be quicker to crash.
It might be quicker to crash, yeah. Right, yeah, I got it. Oh,
well,
God's
that was
sake.
very poor, to be honest.
You know what, let's just hop over it. Yeah. There we go. Finish one.
There we go.
Why is it always the developers that are worse at the game?
Yeah.
Spend so much time working on the level, I don't actually get to play it.
I'll tell you the story of another time of Zico when we were doing Wipeout. Zico was this legendary QA tester that nobody could beat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you Google Zico Wipeout, I don't know, time trial or race or time, it's it's just you just see the story. Well, thank you.
I lost the speed on the roll.
So I think like
I messed up the cat. Oh, so I went too late. So if you go too late, you end up just bombing it straight down the bottom.
So I think one year. Oh, actually, that's interesting. But I will do the cat pass. Why your version? Why is your version so junky? Did we check in something really bad?
No. I don't know. I mean, I got the latest just before I joined this call.
Can you just fall off any edge, like casually falling off?
Yeah, let me go to some of this actual surface on the side.
Yeah, it's a bit junky. Like, can you just walk and falling off? Yeah, like, why you always have a very peculiar version? I'm wondering.
Why do I always have the jank version?
Yeah.
Okay. I never get to playtest on the good one.
Try to. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's okay. That wasn't that bad, but sometimes it's like maybe it's the stream that is a little bit junky. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So, are you actually using R2 to do the good landing?
Yeah, to get the good roll.
Yeah.
That was a bit weird.
Yeah, I think they is still working on the going down and going down that way.
Oh, we've got a question in the chat as well from Mike Mister. We used to have magnetism on the vaults. Sorry, we used to not have it, and then we had it for a while and it became too easy. I'm guessing the magnetism's gone now. Oh.
Oh, like the warping thing, you mean?
Yeah. I used to. Yeah. We had the motion warping before I joined the dev team, and I used to abuse it on the old time trials. I'd do a minute time trial in like 30 seconds because I just abused the motion warping. Yeah.
I never really liked that. You see, like, that's a bit wonky, yes.
Is it because I'm sprinting off? Oh, I missed the roof.
No, I don't think so.
Also, we really need to unlock the camera so you can look down more. It's so hard to do stuff when you can't look down. Oh, I just didn't roll that time.
That.
I went through everything.
Hey, if you do... Yeah, okay, you know what? I need to get really going with the collision because there is no way you can do any dashboard now. Well, partially because I broke them, but they are so hard to do. I just try on a normal wall. That's so hard.
Okay, let me move the player start.
Like if you walk and you casually do
I have landed successfully one dash vault in the lot since you put them in yesterday.
Yeah.
It's so hard.
I've only imported I think 2 of them, and they are they're not the best ones, like because they're so slow. Yeah.
It does so many steps before he goes in. He does like 3 steps.
3 steps? Can you do slow motion?
Oh no.
Oh, actually, you did it. Yeah, I mean, but
that was land.
Yeah. The that was weird as well. The dashboard are the very bad one in terms of collisions. It's because the way you protect, like you see it there, it's just like it's never gonna work. It's just so hard to do a nice like collision movement. It's so hard. I need to rethink about because the cut passes are fine, but the dash vault the way the movement is, it's just.
That was a dash fault.
That was a dash.
there we go.
No,
There's
yeah,
the
yeah,
dash.
exactly, yeah. The dash vault is so hard.
That was like it decided to land before it played the animation.
I think
really
it's. I think it detected that the landing was.
Yeah.
I think he's detecting the second wall rather than the first one.
You fixed the slow-mo bug.
I don't know.
Kind of.
Did they fix this wrong bug? I don't think so.
I mean, he's still like jiggling, but you used to be able to get him to like fly around the map. Couldn't you?
You probably still do it. It's probably because it's ragdolling. Yeah.
Well, no, that was the bug. If he was in ragdoll and you spam slow-mo,
Right.
it'd start like flying around the map.
Right. Yeah. So.
Yes, bro. Oh, also, welcome, Poro. I haven't seen you in ages. I haven't been on Twitch, to be fair.
Can you do
But yes, this is...
a cat pass? Yeah, like the cat pass is a little bit better. I think you're gonna crush now, yeah. But at least the movement is just is a little bit more forgiving. I still think we need higher cat passes. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why that one failed though.
Well,
The hands are on the wall.
because we got like 100 cat passes and he only chooses like 3 or it's just like I need the much better weight detection. Yeah, I think basically
You're going too early.
this wall. No, I think like the problem is that this wall is too high for the current 3 cat passes. Like if you walk a little bit slowly, you may choose another cat pass, which is like that one. Yeah, that one is a bit that one you can do it because it's a bit higher.
Right.
Yeah, it's a bit interesting that we.
Wait, you're playing Counter-Strike professionally now, bro. That's sick. Well done, man.
See, that case when you land any vaults or any jump upward, that we need to fix, but probably later. I don't want to fix it for 0-10. It would just be a little bit weird, but who cares?
That's fine. I mean, it doesn't like break anything. It just gets that little stutter.
Just get that.
But it like everything's. It's almost like the capture's in the right place and the mesh just catches up.
Yeah, that is basically what he's doing. Yeah.
So it's fine. Like mechanically, it still all works. It just looks a little weird.
It's so hard to have like we never capture any of those cat passes. Like ending up on an upper level because nobody ever does it, right? So it's quite so hard to do it. So, but this wall should definitely be a lot easier to cat pass. But again, that is just down to the weights simulation is not the weight selection is not good. For example, that one would have been okay. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Do you not want the rest? Thank you. Also, I keep getting this. See if I can recreate it. Nope. I keep getting this like side step when I'm running.
Yeah.
Which it's not going to do now.
No,
it's not going to do it when I say it.
Yeah, it's part of my list that I need to fix, but I would probably not do it for 0-10. Yeah. See, I think like that cat pass there, it would have been okay.
Precisions will be a later update, bro. Actually, what happened to David's old pre-system? Did he get rid of it?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think he never was.
It never made the cut.
Yeah, it never really made it anyway. Yeah, that would have been a good one.
Yeah, that one dive cat pass that it keeps bringing up, the hands are in the right place, but the feet come in too early and they get caught. I think.
Yeah, I mean that looks
Oh no, he
absolutely
just
perfect.
gave
Yeah.
up.
Is crashing with the head, but actually, did I ever? Oh,
I won't wait so early.
yeah.
I went very early. Damn.
Yeah, this is quite hilarious.
I got so used to having the motion warping on that I've forgotten how to do
Yeah,
the old version. I got to a stage where I was pretty good on 004A, but it's just so long ago.
Yeah. Yeah, so like,
Oh, come on.
yeah, that would have been that should have been that's actually the ragdoll was actually quite good.
Oh, the ragdoll's sick. Is this the new one that you showed us that we put the clips out for?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I haven't got a place yet where to activate the ragdoll rolling down, like, because we have two modes. One is the normal ragdoll, which is this one, and the other one is when you actually ragdoll, like rolling. It's good. Actually, you made that. It's just... So I think the dashboard.
Something I would say about the ragdoll is that rather than having R3 make you stand up, I'd maybe just make any button make you stand up when you're in ragdoll.
Sorry, say again, guys.
So you know, like when you go into ragdoll,
yeah,
and then you have to press R3 to stand up.
Yeah.
I'd maybe just have that be any button when you're in ragdoll rather than specifically R3.
Which button?
Just have it be anything. So if you jump.
Oh, anything. Ah, I see what I mean. Yeah, yeah.
Because when you're in ragdoll, you're not going to want to do anything else anyway. So you might as well just make it any input.
Yeah. Okay. Is that something the games do usually, or?
It was something I noticed when I started playtesting. Like, I'd go into a ragdoll, and for whatever reason, I'd go to try and jump to stand up, and then I'd be like, oh, no, R3. And I have no idea why, but it was just like a muscle memory from somewhere. That was a bad roll. Timed that wrong.
Yeah. So you got your transparent shade in here, and it's quite fun because then you can see that the hands don't rotate in the.
Yeah, it kind of ruins the hiding idea.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
yeah.
Which is it's also, do you know what cracks me up? Let's see if I can find. See if I can get around this pillar. The hair. Was that me? Or was that the jump collision? I wonder. Alright. Or whatever. Let's see if I can find hide behind this pillar. So the hair doesn't have the X-ray shader on, so when he goes behind a wall, he becomes bald. Because because if I apply it to the hair, it's constantly in effect because it's arguing between the hair and the mesh, so it makes the mesh. It makes, I can't remember which one, but it makes one of them always X-rayed.
Yeah.
So I have to turn it off for the hair.
Yeah,
I don't know why it flips on sometimes.
Look, yeah, sometimes it does it.
But he goes bold when he's behind the wall. Which I maybe need to work out a fix for. But I think it's funny.
Yeah. Okay, that wasn't too bad. As a transition.
Oh, I didn't want that wall. I wanted the other.
It's quite good to test this. Test all of this different geometry. It's holding up okay. No, it's got the classic problems here and there, but it's not tragic.
No, mechanically most of it's all working. It's just a little bit animation. It looks a little funky, but it's largely like working okay. See that's one of the problems. So because there's so many walls and height changes.
Yeah.
If I can't tilt the camera down in the air, a lot of the time I just lose track of where I am. Because I can't, like, yeah, you kind of need to be able to look down, which is making it a little bit awkward.
Yeah, I may like restate that. It was just that when looking down, it's sometimes you get you get lost quite quickly, like looking up and down. So I think for that time trial thing, can we have
Yes.
some effects when you actually hit a checkpoint? Maybe, I don't know, like...
Yeah. Like a little Niagara sparkle type thing.
Yeah, bloom or something.
Yeah, do something like that.
And the same thing when you actually finish the race, just have like... Actually, yeah, I think like start, checkpoint, and finish should have their own. Oh, you missed the last landing. That would have been quite good, though.
Yeah, so like this vault is possible because I have done it, but it's really hard.
Yeah.
You have to have so much speed as well. And yeah.
Yeah, I wonder. Okay.
That little sidestep as well kills all of your speed.
Yeah. But are you doing? Yeah, are you tapping for doing the sprinting? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was my fault. I missed time the cat boss.
Yeah, way too late. See, I don't understand why it does that in midair. It doesn't. Yeah, that's basically a code problem. It shouldn't go into that falling. It should just because like if you jump somewhere, it doesn't do it. So that is quite weird. I need to check
It was
why
as,
it's doing
it was as if it registered a landing somewhere in the air.
Yeah, it triggers the falling state for some reason. Yeah. But if you go on a wall that is quite small and you just jump off it, it doesn't go into the falling state. So quite, yeah.
Well, oh, something like this, you mean? Yeah, that
Well,
wouldn't
yeah.
trigger the falling.
Do you have a higher drop from higher height?
How high do you want it? This one?
No, a bit higher. Let's just go on the top of any building and then try to see if there are a low wall to jump off. Yeah, like those ones. Yeah, those ones.
Like this?
No, like
Or
jumping off the whole building. I mean, yeah, like yeah. That one is fine.
You want
yeah.
to jump? You want to jump off the building?
Yeah. So yeah, if you just run and jump off, you see, it doesn't go into that falling state. It just like continues the.
It's only if you walk off that it.
See, like that one is weird. That one is so weird because.
But that's just you're climbing up the thing.
Oh, that is the
you walk
climbing
off.
state, right?
Yeah, I'm using David's wall pop.
Right.
So he gets on top. If I don't do anything, oh no, he actually does just fall off because he edges forwards. But it's basically standing on top of the wall and then stepping off.
Yeah.
Oh, the roll feels so good when you get it timed right. And so bad when you time it wrong.
Yeah. I think that was one of the best things that we've done recently.
You are still getting that classic thing of like, if you hit the floor too fast a little bit, sometimes you clip into it as well.
Yeah.
You just go straight through it.
I wonder if I need to I need to like give a little bit more iteration to the physics simulation to do you know, to sweep around the polygons better, but yeah, I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think the ones are like, what I really don't like is just that junkiness that like going in and off certain situation is just like the junkiness is killing me. Yeah, I really hope that we can fix it like quite soon. Can you try again to jump off that building?
Oh, I got rid of the player start.
Oh maybe that's a good idea.
Let's do it over here so they're a bit flatter.
Yeah.
A bit easier to see what's happening. So I'm walk off or jump off?
Jump off, yeah. What the hell? Ah, yeah, sorry, the first jump is always wrong, yeah. Okay, so... yeah, like, do a fake jump at the beginning, because that's always the wrong one. And then you do no one. This is probably why your cut pass failed. The first jump is always wrong, so I need to fix that, yeah.
Couldn't move then.
Oh yeah, I noticed that like, if you jump on the spot, it's just... it doesn't go into locomotion. Yeah, that is good. Because now it will just keep it will just keep with the fall. So, but if you do a cat pass of this, it does go into a weird.
Oh, that was interesting. Hang on.
A weird.
I think I could force. I think I can force a landing in the air.
Oh yes, you can actually. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't work that time. It worked in slow mo.
If you double jump, I think it does it. No.
If I'm in slow motion and I do a cat pass in the air, it forces a landing.
Oh, you know what? I think that may be it gets the wrong point to land though. I think that is what it could. I mean, that should have been a fall.
Oh no. No, I can't force it. Maybe I was just wasting.
What is it going? I mean,
Oh God, I was
actually
maybe it's
quite cool actually.
Maybe that's because I tried to do a cat pass in the air. Hang on.
So if you do a cat pass,
Will that work that time?
yeah. So this junkiness that I think we should really.
There's something happened.
Why does it? Okay, like, can you do a fake jump at the beginning because the first jump is always.
Oh,
wrong.
yeah.
Okay, can you do a cat pass of this? Why? No, it doesn't do that. What the? What does it do? Okay, try again. That was a bit weird. So it's falling, right? So it's not falling anymore. So I mean, in a way, this is correct, but okay. So that's yeah. I mean, apart from the landing, which is obviously wrong, but What? Right, okay, I think I know what the thing is. I think it's just miscalculates where it lands and it thinks that it's landing basically what it would be in thin air. Yo, dude, that is quite weird that it doesn't detect.
Oh, that was... I didn't do the first jump, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Try again.
What?
Nope, still went through it.
Yeah. This is so weird, though.
A dash. We did start and jump.
Oh, you actually landed it, but
It's weird that it's colliding with the plane at the end, but none of the buildings in between.
yeah, that is quite sus.
Start and jump.
If you do a normal jump.
Oh, sorry. I'd already committed to a dash. Do it again.
No, actually, it is still. It's peculiar, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that basically it doesn't see that at all. It just see the floor.
Oh, I jumped too late.
Yeah.
It does in ragdoll.
Yeah. When you jump too late, even if it's 1 centimeter, you go into the ragdoll because it just missed it. Yeah. See, that one worked, right?
Mm-hmm.
So some jumps are just like.
Was that because I was going slower? Let's go. Wait, let's go slow again. Oh, I jumped too late. But the slow run seems more consistent. And then let's go at it full sprint. So full sprint, it loses the collisions in the air. But if I'm just holding L2 rather than tapping it, so I'm like jogging, it lands fine.
I wonder if that, like, can I see a little bit more of the map? No, like from the editor, yeah. So you go there, like, no, so where is the player start?
Oh, it was here on this building.
No, just keep it there. Keep it there. That's everything, okay. Yeah, it could be that when you... I need to re-enable debugging all the visual clue for the jumps because I think the point that it detects to be landing is totally wrong for some reason. I think it's more of a problem of but okay, like the plane where it lands is the plane underneath the ground, right? There is a huge plane underneath that.
Yeah, there's just this seemingly infinite thing is just a plane.
But then you go another plane, right, above this, right? Like the lowest level there.
No, this is the lowest level. There isn't a plane above it.
No, but like where you supposed to land on like there, like in the middle of that of the square, right? In the middle of the...
Oh, this square?
No, like the one at the very bottom, right? The one below the bridge, yeah. So, I mean, I would have thought that this is like the lowest point that you could run.
That's not. Yeah, but it's not a plane.
Yeah, I mean, well, like that level. I mean, yeah.
Oh yeah, that should be. Oh no, because it doesn't extend under the buildings. It's cut
Oh
around.
right, yeah, but it's still quite.
But to be fair, the buildings have like it has an interior. So the lowest would be this point, which then like there's a bottom of that building, which is before the plane.
Yeah, no, it
And
doesn't
it's,
really make sense.
it's still going through it and hitting the plane underneath.
Yeah, exactly.
Which also, if anybody like gets inside the walls, there's some fun geometry just like inside. There's some Z-filing inside though. There's some like really fun looking geometry because it's all solid.
Oh wow.
But it's janky as hell because it's all Z-fighting and stuff.
That's pretty weird.
But yeah, because there's like actually interiors everywhere, which is fun.
Oh. Yeah, there's Minecraft inside here.
A little bit.
Can you try again to jump off that thing at different speed? Is it always deterministic when when you're going too fast? Does it always do it?
Let's do normal walking, no L2. Okay, it collided.
Yeah.
Let's do holding L2 but not tapping. Get the starting one out of the way. So holding L2 but not tapping. Well, I mean it's colliding early, but like it's still colliding. And then if I get this,
I wonder
if
why
I tap L2, it goes through. So something about the sprint state is making it fall through things.
So bizarre. If you
sprint
and jump a lot earlier, then they just clear the gap. Does it affect the landing?
So jump really far back from the edge.
Yeah, but just make it. Well, if you can, maybe not. It's not literally to do it.
I went too early.
Yeah.
Haha, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, exactly. That's like gameplay bit in there.
Nope, too early.
Yeah.
It's something. Oh no,
Eat something, right? Does it always eat something? Oh, maybe. Can you do wireframe?
Interesting. That was tapping L2, but I managed to get the jump really early. Early enough that maybe the capsule caught the building, but I was jumping off of.
Oh, this building here.
Yeah, the one that.
Can you put wireframe mode and do the super fast run up?
Yeah, it was.
Add the difficulty that you don't really see the edge very well.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm a pro.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's catch.
So it did hit something, right? But what did it actually?
There's nothing here. What did it hit?
I mean, there is that bit of the
Is it? I think it's catching this little roof.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, but try it again in wireframe. Because it didn't look it was stopping, to be honest. Ah, then now it works. No, but that doesn't make any sense because now he does it almost properly.
Okay, so if I jump too close to the edge whilst tapping L2, it falls through. But if I manage to get the jump further back, it's okay.
But it didn't fall through there.
Yeah, it did. Like, so if I do it further back like that, it works. But if I tap L2 and jump close to the edge, I'll fall through. So tapping L2, close to the edge. Ah, I went too late. L2. Ah, I went too early. Fuck's sake, this wireframe's making it so hard.
Yeah.
Yes.
See?
It falls.
No, but it doesn't because it just collides with something else and then falls.
Yeah, it's just not colliding with the right thing.
With what is colliding exactly? That thing there?
No, because it.
Okay, try again with a wireframe. But at least it's making a little bit more sense. It's just colliding, but we don't really see. It's just behind something.
Ah, I went too late.
Actually, for real added difficulty, can you move the camera in front of Josh?
What?
Yeah, that's super hard. Right, okay, I see it now. Where is it going? Look at the perfect pose.
I know. Like a diver. Clean into the water.
See,
we see nothing.
Exactly. It stopped there. I think it stopped.
It definitely hit something.
Yeah, he hit something in there. Yeah.
Right, challenge mode. Put the camera really like first person, basically.
Yeah, first person.
See
Yeah, let's do first person. It's actually a really cool camera, to be honest. Yeah, okay, he hit something in the middle.
I couldn't see a damn thing.
Yeah.
Right, hang on, let's.
No, I still think you won't see anything, but yeah.
Probably not. Right. FOV.
No, I change it dynamically anyway.
Jesus, what have I done? I've created a monstrosity.
A monster. Stranger Things.
So it didn't hit that bit.
No, it didn't hit anything now.
I don't know what it's hitting.
I mean, you went through a lot of things.
Wait, okay, let's see if I... Okay, let's do it this way, for example. Jump out of the way.
Fine.
I'll see. Oh my god.
If you...
It's so dramatic as well, how he throws his leg out. Oh no, I've fallen.
Drama queen. See, I really don't like that extra bit of... I really need to change that before. Well, actually, that was perfect. that was perfect as well. I think it's just, if there are too many things, it's just miscalculate where it lands, basically. So I knew that would have been a problem, but I don't know if it's worth to fix it yet or not. But basically, the way he decided where, see, that one I hate when it does that. The way that I decided where to land is even before you do the jump, I calculate a point where to land, and I knew that would have been a problem because the proper way to do it is, see, like, I hate that thing. The proper way to do it is that you don't calculate where to land. You will just, you just check every frame if you're hitting something.
But wouldn't that be really expensive?
No, it's more of, no, there's some other problems with that approach linked to the animation. See, I really hate that extra kick
You
there.
get like a little floating step.
Yeah, I really hate it.
So with David's wall pop, as it puts you up, does he offset you forwards a bit as well to get you over the ledge?
Oh, maybe it did, yeah.
Because I think that's all it's doing. Because if I climb and then let go of the analog stick, it still puts me forwards. It still puts me over the edge. So I think he's just nudging you forwards a little bit.
Right, yeah. I think it was playing with that.
Let me see if I do it with like no speed. Hang on. Oh, okay. So it's with your speed. If you're going too fast, it will carry the momentum.
Yeah, it will carry. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But we still need, yeah. See, I don't know why. He must have missed a blending in there, because there is a bit in which there is a state in which it doesn't blend at all. Like there, it did blend, so it was okay. But there is a state in which it just goes straight out of it. These are all like the coverage test. There, that one was just like going.
I think again. Let me see if I can make it happen.
Yeah, there.
It's when you're going too fast. Again, so it only happens when I'm tapping out. Tapping L2 is breaking the game, Dado. Don't let the player sprint.
Yeah,
We're not
no
allowed to sprint
sprint.
anymore.
Yeah.
No sprinting. Kill it. I don't know, because that one I was just holding. I don't know. Something's bugged.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't help that I have only one falling animation, so and that was quite an aggressive one, so yeah, that doesn't have but I can change that. I can change that. That bit of animation. But yeah, all those little things that really bothers me. We're quite close to have something compelling, and but all the little problems, they just make it just don't make you enjoy the thing. Yeah. I mean, I don't mind bugs like this. I mean, those are fine, but it's like under like more systematic problem that really piss me off. Yeah.
Okay. Is that because I'm turning around just before I fall off?
I don't know.
Let me see. I'll do it like a. Why is that wall breaking it?
Huh.
I'm so confused.
Is it? Yeah, that's weird.
Let's try a different wall. See if it's just like I've bugged it somewhere and they're all doing it now. So why is that one wall breaking it?
Yeah, there's a... Is that... There is a slope there, or is it straight?
Where? There's a slope here.
No, I mean, like, that... The floor there is straight where he lands, right?
Oh yeah, he's landing on on flat floor.
Yeah.
I have no idea what that is.
Is that because you got that wall close to there? No, yeah, it's weird. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Can you fall like on the right hand side of that thing? Just not close to that little wall there.
I will do in a second. Sorry, I'm just replying to the message quick. What? Right. So fall to the right side instead of next to that little wall.
Yeah.
Apparently. Oh, we got a bot in the YouTube chat.
What is the thing to...
No, I don't think I'm a moderator on the YouTube chat.
Where's the
I'm
thing to
only
kill
moderator.
the thing?
Okay, yeah, so we're going that way.
Yeah, now how to kill the thing.
Maybe it is that little wall being there that's confusing it.
Yeah. Try to...
Can we? Is there
Go-
anywhere similar to that? That we can replicate. Here, maybe. Is there something better?
But like, if you stay on that part, that is creating problems. And if you do, if you try to go as far as possible from the little wall, does it still do it? That one was good. That movement was good.
And the wrong shit.
Yeah. So if you fall off this, it's just okay, right?
Yeah. Nope.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh.
but those were some stairs.
Right, off the other side. What is?
That's so weird.
Right. What's the command for training collisions?
Sorry?
Show collision. There's no like. I was seeing if there was like some sort of ghost collision just floating or something, but
Yeah, but it doesn't really look like it. It's just because you're just walking nicely, so. And did you ragdoll it? How do you do that?
I wish I could tell you, Dado. I don't know.
Yeah, that's weird. Well, that is this is an interesting view, though.
Oh, having the collisions enabled.
Yeah, it may look even better.
Those look quite cool. It's very sort of sci-fi though.
Yeah, it's very Matrix. Yeah. Oh, like it goes into collision because he's falling for a long time. Yeah, okay, that's okay. That one at least got it. Okay, it's falling a long time. All right then. Well, that was a bit disappointing because I think we're not ready yet for prime time because I think way too many problems. Way too many glitches. Yeah, but. Not too far either, so that's some promising stuff in there.
not too far. Nowhere near, but it's not too far.
Yeah. No, it's a classic. Well, considering that this is quite, it's not very complex, but in terms of density, there are many places where you could actually where the gameplay could go wrong. So it's
Yeah,
it's a tough level to.
there's a lot of fun opportunities, but it is a tough level.
It's gonna be a lot more compelling than the National Theatre for sure.
Oh, 100%. 100%.
Right then. So I think we could end the stream here because I need to code a lot, and coding is very boring to watch. So I don't wanna force to watch boring code anymore. Yes, I think guys, try to get like those effects on the time trials, and then I'll show you how to integrate the code to for the multiplayer, and then we're ready to go.
That's better. You can actually see the beam now.
Yeah, you can actually see.
Okay, that's fine. So when you start trying to trial the other ones, hide, and then some sort of feedback that you have hit the checkpoints.
Yeah, I mean there will be feedbacks in the UI anyway, but just even like something 3D is gonna be compelling. Yeah,
100%. So.
Alright. Excellent. Alright, let's finish the stream here and not show any more coding. I don't know how to delete these messages from Streamlabs, so I don't know, who cares?
We have to do it from inside YouTube. Yeah. Can you make moderators? Can you make me a moderator?
Yeah.
To be fair, actually, don't bother because I'm not on the YouTube one a lot.
Alright.
You're better off making who's on a lot? Leonard or Noma, maybe?
Yeah, I don't know how to make moderators in YouTube. In the YouTube chat. Yeah, anyway.
I don't know.
It's not really a big deal. I mean, who cares? I mean, it's like this guy just wanted to show us naked girls. So, whatever.
Who doesn't like that?
Yeah, exactly. So, let's give it that. Alright, guys. Good. Well, I mean, bad because we're nowhere near, but very close.
Nowhere near very close.
Very
I like
close. Alright, guys. Well, I'll catch you tomorrow morning. I'm gonna keep coding for a little bit.
it. No worries.
Alright.
Fairly well, sir.